Hello, welcome to another OpenTAP Lightning video. In this series, we are learning about how to package our OpenTAP plugin. In the last video, we saw the significance of the package.xml file. In this video, we are going to look at how to version our tap package. So let's get started. Each package is versioned independently and should use semantic versioning. You can learn in detail about semantic versioning from SemVer.org. For now, I will give you a quick overview of SemVer. Versions are of the form x.y.z-a+b, where x represents the major version number and is incremented whenever we release a new package that is not backward compatible with the previously released package. Y is the minor version number, which is incremented on release of a package that is backwards compatible. Z is the patch version, which is incremented upon every set of code change. The patch version can also include pre-release labels such as alpha or beta or RC for release candidate. A is the optional pre-release label and B is optional metadata. For example, it can be a commit hash or a branch name. Now that we have an idea of how versioning is set, let's look at how to set the version for the tap package using the above rules. There are two ways to set the version of the tap package. The first is Git Assisted Versioning and the next is manual versioning. The recommended way is to use Git Assisted Versioning. Let's look at it in more detail. Git Assisted Versioning can be used only if you are using a Git repository for managing your tap plugin. The version is managed in a file called .git version. Here is a sample of the .git version file. When you make changes to your plugin, you can update the version field in the .git version file. You can tie this version directly to your package.xml by using the git version macro to enable OpenTAP to use Git Assisted Versioning. Git Assisted Versioning uses the Git repository history to automatically determine and increment pre-release versions. If the Git commit is marked with an annotated tag, it will be interpreted as a release version and it will not have any pre-release info added to the version number. To determine the pre-release label, Git uses the branch name. Some of the pre-release labels are beta, RC, and alpha. Let's look at some examples of how the version is calculated based on the branch name. If you are not using the Git Assisted Versioning, you can manually update the version in the package.xml file. Remember that this version should still follow the SemVer format. So in this video, we took a look at how to version our OpenTAP plugin. We use semantic versioning and automatically calculate the version label using the Git commit history. In our next video, we will look at how to publish the OpenTAP plugin to the package repository. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video.